Alright, today I'm playing a game called Plug the Plug. I assume it's a puzzle game about plugging plugs. Let's just see how many levels there are though. Okay, we've got plenty. This isn't going down. That's fine. So, alright, there's a little plug. I guess we're gonna do the first however many. Oh, I already like this. It's just a puzzle game, but like plugging in plugs, because it's impossible. Oh, it's a challenge that everyone faces at least once in their life, having to plug plugs in. But you can rotate the plug with right click when holding it. Okay, so we could probably go like that. Yeah, that works. Okay. Bump that one. I mean, I could double flip that, but it's whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay. This is pretty cool, honestly, like, yeah. Can't rotate that kind, so that one has to go there. That's interesting. Whoops. Okay, normally that wouldn't work with normal sockets and outlets or whatever, but we're going with level 8. Okay, that seems a bit... that's like if you put it there it doesn't work. That's cool though, but I've never seen, like, not even like a joke socket that looks like that. Wait, hang on, does this have multiple points on that? Oh no, you just didn't have to use them all. That makes sense. You don't have to use all the sockets in real life, I suppose. Oh wait, hang on, that guy needs to go there. Let's then get this guy, can't rotate him. He has to go there. Oh, I see. So that one does occasionally get in the way. Oh, so that guy has to cover both of those. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, we can do that, and this guy's kinda chill. He goes wherever he wants. We've already done more than 10 levels, which doesn't really prevent anything from going on, it's just something to note. I don't know how many levels there are total, because I forgot to check that. Or the scroll thing wasn't doing me any favors or something. So... I guess we'll get to level 15 or 20. Most likely 20, because I'm pretty sure there's 20 plus levels. Oh, why are you not? There we go. Okay. I see. Then we can do that, and that works. Imagine having like a power board that just looks like this. That would be a mess, to say the least. So you don't need to block everything. Okay, you please. Come on, buddy. There you go. Perspectives are a tiny bit weird. That's like only real bit of feedback I've got in regards to stuff that could change. Because like I'm over here thinking that it'll land in these grids, but the camera's fixed on like physical things, which is also very cool. Okay, let's put you there. Yeah. And what is this young chap doing? Okay, that works, and then that works. Nice, nice. Okay, I think it is importante to start with the wacky and wild ones. Ones that you can't really move on your lonesome. Actually, do we have a spot for any of these? Can only put that there, which means I'll fill this gap. Okay, then we can do that. That's fine. We got it. We're good. Still almost at level 20 because this game, we're just too good at it, I think. Okay. What if we... Okay, yep, that's challenging, alright. Oh, right, okay, let's do that. And that. Oh, then would you look at that? That won't work, never mind. This is challenging. Like, comparatively, it's nowhere near as easy. That won't work. That won't work. It kind of makes me have to go in the middle somewhere. I cannot do that. Okay. With Mr. Yellow. Let's put him there. Put that guy there. Put that there. And then we can put that there. We got it! Yippee! As they say in the business. What business? Don't ask. Don't need to worry about that. This isn't looking promising. Okay. Maybe, just maybe, I've done something terribly wrong. Let's do that. Then that. Then that. And then this guy can go on here. We got it. Nice stuff. Okay. I can't put that in anywhere now, so what if to cover that up? That won't work. Nor will that. If I can move that. Oh no, that's not it. Okay, let's take all these bits and bobs out and go again. I guess we should end off with the yellow ones in this for once, considering that they be funky. They're the odd ones out, I suppose. I don't know, I don't think I really need a reason to do so. I want to. But they need one of those. So we can give them that one. Then move this one to like here or something. Give that guy that. Move that another one over. Or not. You can have them stay there. Rotate that. That won't work either. Can I move these blocks? Yeah, no, didn't think so. Okay. This is another issue that we had before, I'm pretty sure. Let's restart the level. Just put everything back all neat and tidy. There we go. Right. These angle... Oh, had a bit of a weird thing there. Okay, these angled blocks are probably the harder ones to find a place for, I would think. can't do that because I need all of that room for that guy. So let's maybe... No, that won't work either. I'm very pleased with how I had that set up. So let's move stuff back to its original spots, except for that. That would just take up a lot of unnecessary space. Okay, maybe this guy can't go there. Okay. That's got to be a good spot for that, at least. It's only covering one thing. Which means stuff like that can happen. And then we can put a thing there. Figure out if this guy can go anywhere here. He can, but he blocks the only other thing I can use. So maybe not there. Rotating these pieces would make it easier, but I guess that's kind of the point of this level. Okay. And would that work? That should work. It doesn't block anything. Then we've done it. Very good. Okay, level 20. This is the last level we'll do. Oh, and it introduces switches. Okay, but we will still leave this off here. Let's have a look at the levels. Okay, how many are there? There's 30, so we'll do 10 levels next time we come back to this, which will most likely be tomorrow. So, that was Plug the Plug. Pretty damn good game about plugging plugs, if I do say so myself. Anyway, if you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a skedaddle. See ya.